Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn the alignment, table size and table arrange. So first I have one table with me. So if I select the table like this, now the layout tab gets open. Now here you can see the alignment, table size and the arrange. First we will see the alignment. Now here you can see the aligned text to the left, center and the right. Now if you want to keep your text in the center, then you have to select whichever text you want. Just now I have selected the first row and I will keep it like this, like in the center. So if you want a right, you can put it right, left and the center. Next one is the how you want your text inside the cell. So if you want your text to be on the top of your cell, you can select it. If you want in the center, you can select it. If you want in the bottom, you can also select it. So if I want it in the center, I will select it like this. Next one is the direction. Now if you want to add some text which should be in the different direction, you can select the direction like this. Now if you want to insert some cell in between like this, one row column we will add. Now we will, you can see I want to add here a break like this. So if you want to insert a break like this and if you want to rotate it, then the direction you can choose, just select whichever direction you want. And if you want to increase the size, you can go inside home tab and increase the size like this. And then in layout you can change the rotation. So if you want a stack one, the rotate 90 and the horizontal. If we want like this, just select it. Next one is the cell margin. Now here you can see if I'm going to change the cell margin to the none, my text got shifted little bit. If I make it wide, or one thing we will do, we will keep it in the low and we will keep it none. Now here you can see the text which I have selected just got little bit down. If I click on the normal, the text is going little bit up. If I keep wide, text is going little bit up. This is nothing but the page margin just for the cell. So it is very much similar to the page margin, but this cell margin is limited for only this cell. So whichever cell you are going to select, it will get applied to that cell. Next one is the table size. If you want to increase the height and the width of your table, just select it like this. And if you want to lock the aspect ratio, you can also lock the aspect ratio. Just click over there, and with the increase of height, the width will also increase. So if you don't want to lose the aspect ratio, you can lock the aspect ratio like this. Next one is the table arrange. Now if you have a multiple objects inside your PowerPoint presentation like this, shapes and the images, and they are coming in between them like this. If my table is coming on this images, then I have to bring it forward like this. Send, bring forward like this. Now here you can see when I'm going to say bring forward, only one character is or one image is going back. So I have to use bring front so that all the objects which are available over there, it will go in the back side. So when you are dealing with only one object instead of the table, then you have to use the bring forward. Otherwise, if you are dealing with the multiple objects, then you have to use the bring front. Now if you want to use send backward, if you use send backward, only one object will come in the front. And if you use like this, if I undo this and if I use the send to back, all my objects will come in front of my table. So that is the use of arrange. Next one is the align. If once you done with your table, you can see here align option. If you want to put your table on the left right, center, top, middle. So distribute horizontally, distribute vertically. So these are the options available. Wherever you want to put your table, you can put. If you want to align left, you can see it going left, center, right, top, middle, bottom, distribute horizontally, vertically. So there are options available for aligning. So that is the use of arrange option. So in this video we have learned how to use the alignment option, table size and table arrange. Thank you.